Hi, my name is Cassandra and this is my first video for my new channel. Today we're going to be talking about 3 delicious recipes that help with weight loss. Now if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to subscribe for more of these healthy recipes, then please subscribe below. Now first up we have the grilled chicken avocado wrap. It's perfect for lunches, dinners, and definitely good to take to work as a easy, quick lunch meal. Now for your ingredients, you're going to want to get 1 chicken breast, 1 avocado, 1 cup of fresh baby spinach, 3 tablespoons of sour cream, 3 tablespoons of grated cheddar cheese, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of grated garlic, half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, and 3 tortilla wraps. Now, for the instructions, you're going to want to cook the chicken. To cook the chicken, you want to cut the chicken breasts into strips, and then add them together with the salt, pepper, paprika, grated garlic, and oil. And then you want to shake them well until the chicken is well coated. Then what you want to do is you want to heat up a grill pan, add the chicken, and make sure you cook on both sides until done. About 3 minutes each side should do it. Now we want to peel the avocado, then squeeze lemon juice over to get that nice flavor. Then transfer chicken to a plate, warm up the tortilla wraps for a few seconds on each side. This is so the folding can be done easier. Then you're going to want to spread the sour cream on one side of the wrap, sprinkle the grated cheese over, then add the chicken, spinach, and avocado. You're going to want to wrap that right away and serve immediately. Now, for the second recipe we have, it's very easy. It's just baked chicken with mushrooms and sweet potatoes. Now, very simple, very easy to do. So you just want to get a half a skinless chicken breast, 1 cup of baby portobello mushrooms sliced, 1 tablespoon of chives, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 medium sweet potato. Now, very simple, you're just going to put in the oven so first you want to heat up the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to bake your chicken, and then you're going to top the mushrooms, chive, and oil for about 15 minutes. Then you're going to want to microwave your sweet potato for 5 to 7 minutes, and you want to make sure in between that you flip it over. Then afterwards, you're going to want to plate that and serve immediately. So for my last recipe here, we have a nice light lasagna. So not your average lasagna, but definitely very good and very easy to make. For your ingredients, you're going to want half cup cooked whole wheat spaghetti, a 1/4 cup part skim ricotta, a 1/3 cup prepared tomato sauce, half a teaspoon crushed red garlic flakes, 1 Coleman natural mild Italian chicken sausage link cooked, and 2 cups of spinach. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to combine the pasta, ricotta, and sauce, and chili flakes, then crumble the sausage on top, add spinach, and let wilt. Now you can use any type of pasta you want. Here we're using the spaghetti. You could use macaroni, you could use penne, whatever you want whatever type of pasta you'd like, and you're going to want to plate that and serve immediately. And I want to thank you so much for coming to this short video. I'm sorry, I'm just a bit nervous, but I'm glad you could come here today. Also, if you'd like another healthy way to lose weight, just hit the first link in my description below, and it'll take you to Red Tea Detox, which is a great way to lose weight. It helps with cravings, and it's a really good antioxidant. So if you'd like to check that out, just hit the link below, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.